Scott County is considering creating a new county-operated ambulance. It would mean absorbing the nonprofit ambulance service Medic EMS and making it a county department. News 8's Jenna Webster is live for us in Davenport, explaining that with Medic's staffing shortages and rising operating costs, this change could help stabilize its finances. Good evening, Jenna.
Hey, John. Yeah, right now Medic EMS does stress that it is completely operational. This is just looking to the future, as next year Medic does expect to have a $1.5 million budget deficit, and becoming a county entity means opening up different revenue streams not currently available to them now as a nonprofit.
My first call as an EMT student was a cardiac arrest, and I'm like, okay, now I'm hooked.
Jeremy Pessman joined Medic EMS as a volunteer 17 years ago. Averaging 100 calls a day, he and his team cover nearly every mile of Scott County.
You're out in the community taking care of residents in your community. You always remember the good ones, the ones that you've taken care of somebody and helped them through their roughest day. But
more patients are covered by Medicare and Medicaid programs, which are fixed payment models that don't cover the cost of ambulance rides anymore. And fewer patients are covered by private insurance companies, meaning Medic EMS is losing money.
Fuel's rising, cost of goods, cost of, capital purchases such as this ambulance are rising.
Executive Director Linda Fredrickson and Medic EMS leaders are looking to ditch the current nonprofit status and become a Scott County government entity. It means opening up different revenue streams not available to the nonprofit.
Basically the hundreds of thousands of dollars that we could recover from the Iowa Offset program, as well as ground emergency medical transport.
The department's workforce is also down 20%, and Medic EMS hopes being a county entity could help retain staff.
If you're a part of a governmental agency, your employees can be a part of a defined benefit program, such as a police or fire department.
I know the benefits would definitely probably get better.
Stabilizing the numbers in more ways than one, so paramedics can focus on providing the best possible care to all of Scott County's miles.
Every day when you go out there, you're probably going to learn something new, and every day is different. So.
Now, Medic EMS's budget for next year is roughly $13 million, and that means if it were to become a county entity, that would be Scott County's second largest department. It would also make up roughly a quarter of the county's employees. Live in Davenport, Jenna Webster, WQAD News 8.
Alrighty, thanks, Jenna. And the county is currently studying what it would mean to absorb Medic EMS. A transition plan will be given to the Board of Supervisors in March and define if and when the county starts a new department and how it would be funded.